Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to delete your Instagram account using your web browser. First, go to the website deleteo.app. Here you can find Instagram and follow the step-by-step instructions together with me. Start by opening your browser and going to the Instagram website. Log in to your account. I've already done that. Next, click on your profile icon, then click the gear icon for settings and privacy. From there, go to Account Center and select Personal Details. Now click on Account Ownership and Control, then choose Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Instagram account. Click Delete Account, then Continue. Instagram will ask you to enter your password. Just type it in. Then you'll need to pick a reason for deleting your account. You can choose any reason you want. Here, you can also decide if you want to download your information, transfer a copy of your data, or simply deactivate your account instead of deleting it. For this tutorial, we'll click Continue and then click Delete Account. That's it. Your Instagram account will be deleted. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out deleteo.app, where you'll find easy guides for deleting your accounts or downloading your data from different apps. You can also find your accounts using your email, phone number, or username.